The location where the shifter stabilizer bar bolts on was broken off. So I'm going to weld it up and then, you know, drill, retap it, shape it correctly, all that. One of the first things, of course, is to get all the grease off of it you can. Take a stainless steel wire brush to it. Just keep brushing it, and then what I'll do is I'll take an old piece of tungsten left over from the last time I was welding, and I'll just start going over it real lightly, not really melting it so much, just trying to get it to clean up a little bit, and keep doing that and take a wire brush to it, and eventually it'll start accepting a filler rod. If it's wanting to snap back and like ball up on you, it's not clean enough, you know, so you've still got a good bit of contamination or oxidation on the top where you're trying to put the rod in. It's not allowing it to go in. Alright, it's taking some filler rod. You can still see the black specks. That's of course contamination, but starting to get down some good aluminum, and it's starting to weld a little bit better. I am using a 1/16 inch 4043 filler rod. It seems maybe kind of small for the amount of heat I'm using. There's one of the little boogers I'm talking about. Just doesn't want to go into the puddle. So you just got to back off of it, get that little booger out of there, clean it up a little bit, and try again. Alright, I got to a point to where I didn't want to take any more filler rod. So what I've been doing is just going over it with the torch. Just heating the surface up a little bit, not really trying to melt it. As you can see, all that black stuff, I'm trying to draw some of the impurities out of it. Just do that and wire brush it, and go over it again, wire brush it. Just keep doing that until it starts to clean up a little bit. Now you can see that I started shaping on this thing a little bit. It was pretty rough after I got done welding it. I have another case here, so I was able to go and measure it, and you know, that'll let me know the size I need to make this. I think I'm going to have to weld it a little bit more here. Alright, got the finished product here. The hole ended up being just slightly off center, but it should work. Got some good threads down in it. Got it, you know, trimmed up to where the washer will go on it. It may have been nice to have put a helicoil in this. If you buy the kit, you know, it comes with the right size drill bit and tap and everything. But there's not a whole lot of torque on this bolt, so hopefully a little bit of Loctite and tighten it down a little bit, should be good to go.